Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install carbon fiber trunk on the Camaro, the vz102193. I know that you guys have seen this car before. It does have our front bumper for the CL1 conversion, and it also has our tow hook. It also has the side splitters, and now it's going to have our carbon fiber trunk. We're gonna go ahead and leave all the part numbers down below on this video, so you could go ahead and check out all the parts that we do have for the Camaro on our website. So now we're gonna go ahead and deinstall the trunk on the Camaro. If you want to go ahead and follow me. So we're just gonna go ahead and start taking off the tabs of the cover. So we just give it a nice tug, and then it comes off, and this is just literally like clipped in.
Now we're going to remove the tabs to take off your wiring so you could transfer it to your new carbon fiber trunk. And you're going to want to give it a nice pull. Okay, they're okay. And then on to the next is the latch.
We're gonna go ahead and unplug the light from the latch, and then we'll proceed in removing the two start nuts inside, and then those two start nuts. Yay, we got it off. It's still attached, guys. So it's basically just like hanging in here. Just move it. Okay. Cool. Okay, guy, you wanna come out though? Like, would be nice. So now I need my little flathead. So what happened is that obviously it's like glued on there.
Okay, it is glued.
So I would suggest using like a heated source or a goose gun to remove that. We're just gonna use the 10mm wrench.
Take out the customer's emblem that he requested he wanted to transfer to his new carbon fiber. See if we could do this without scratching his old vinyl. So we just removed the customer's emblem as he requested. All we did had to apply heat, if you have right here, and our new vinyl cutting that we have on vicrez, and all you need to do is just go through it with the heat gun while someone with a flathead at the same time could pull it off like this slowly, and little by little it starts coming off half until you fully got it off.
Out with the old, in with the new. We're gonna go ahead and do the holes. So if you can see here, the same holes that you have here for your tabs for the wiring are the same holes that are indented here. We're gonna go ahead and use these for the latch. Which are gonna be included with your carbon fiber rear trunk.
Voila. Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and heat up the residue, and then we're just gonna clean it all up so we can put like new 3M. We're just putting the clips back on. I guess you just put it here. We're just gonna go ahead and pop it in. Oh, we should clean it with some alcohol. And then I'm gonna put some adhesive for motor on the edge. Just doing my nails here. So we're just sanding down a little bit so it could be like an easier entry with your light. It's totally normal. Usually carbon fiber has to be done like a little bit of modification. For sure your body shop could do this. Bottom. I'm scared, guys. So we need access for these two bolts that go in here. The OEM one has 2 holes right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and make that mark so that way we can bolt in the light.
So in this case, we decided to take out these out. Your dampers, I think they're called, or I'm not sure. All you have to do is just get a flathead, smallest one you can find, and just pull back, and it should come right out like that. It should come out pretty good. Make it everything easier, and then you have to worry about the hood coming down on you or adding more pressure. Have more time fixing it. So you took them out, so like that you have more access to the bottom bolt. So it's easier instead of the trunk down, trying to find the angle to put it back in. To just make it easier, take these out, so you can put both back in and play with the trunk.
Just gonna go ahead and place the emblem back onto the car. So I just went ahead and made a quick template. I used the lines of the bumper to guide me to the middle. So you want to make sure it's underneath the curve and then like probably like 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. And then you're just gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle. You're gonna use the curve of the emblem to guide you through, and then that should be your center. So it would be about right here. So now we're just gonna go ahead and clean the area with alcohol and then put some adhesive converter, and then we'll be back. So this is the OEM trunk that we went ahead and took off. It does weigh a range about 40 to 50 pounds. So it is a complete difference adding the full carbon fiber trunk. When you lift it up, you could totally feel the lightweight. Like you put it down and then you let it go up and it literally goes up like a breeze. I would say this bad boy right here is about probably less than 12 pounds. It is pretty lightweight. So that's a wrap, guys. We finally finished installing the full carbon fiber trunk. Part number vz102193. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a quick recap of what exactly we did. So we went ahead and did the holes on the indents for the cover. But in this case, we're not gonna go ahead and install this since the customer wants to go ahead and do some power coating to the bottom side of his trunk. We went ahead and did the hole for the center latch as well. It's fully functionable. We did all the holes for the wiring. Since I already did the homework for you guys, all you have to do is rewind, so when you have to do the holes, you could just check where exactly you're gonna be placing them. We did move a little bit the latch towards going out, so that way the trunk sits a little bit better. And then we did do the holes of the latch a little bit bigger, just so it gives you more area to play with it. And then other than that, it was a fully successful install, pretty easy. I'll give it about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the type of experience you do have. Please make sure to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, leave comments below. Any questions, please let us know.